What if ninjas were real and Microscope finally exposed their truth?
Welcome to MicroRealm. On International Ninja Day, the one thing no one ever dared, a ninja under the microscope. Their weapons, their armor, even the traces they leave behind. And what I discovered was nothing close to human. Microscope ready. Let's go.
Samples are ready. Are you prepared to view them up close from 40x to 1000x magnification?
Ninja blades have hidden markings and their edges not sharp. A microscopic saw. Let's meet together.
The legendary ninja shuriken looks smooth to the human eye. But at 100x magnification, it reveals a battlefield of micro scratches.
Ninja mask fibers. Wait. So this is a ninja's mask? Then what even is mine at the gym? Up close, they look like escape tunnels. Every strand a shadow. Every shadow a secret.
Under the microscope, the ninja's silent mask is not silent at all. It's a jungle of twisted microfibers, dust particles, and hidden moisture.
This trace, not just soil, a mix of 10 elements, meaning a ninja crossed different grounds. That's real stuff.
This pattern, he stepped somewhere damp, then somewhere burned. That's battlefield soil.
just like armor, unavailable. A single strand of ninja hair. A single strand of ninja hair. This tactical.
These tiny strands, not just hair. Each one is sharpened like a tactical thread.
Even ninjas feel pressure, maybe right before the strike.
Ninja sweat, invisible in battle, but under the microscope, pure chaos.
A piece of fish in his pocket. A fragment of sushi. Evidence or a clue? Was he hungry? Or a story a secret reserve for battle?
Pocket sushi. Only a ninja carries food engineered for silence and survival.
Alright guys, a ninja's gear looks powerful on the outside, but up close, it's a whole different world. Strange, creepy, alive. If you want me to put your mask, your training clothes, or anything else under the microscope, tell me in the comment. Look closer, because the smallest worm hides the biggest secret.